After all these things, now story way very important. Ato force and story way and finance ministry. Ghana signs debt restructuring agreement with Belgium. Ekana Baomia and MPP for Ebogu Hono in the name of debt restructuring. Omodi ekoshe IMF triase no. Omoni amai bebrani edi omoka etnase. Ema omoka kire omo se ka na edi omo no omba betua. MPP. Ena omodi yeti ko hye eye different ekase. It is what study NDC bar powered. Mr. S. Mr. P, pull that document for me. NDC bar powered through the finance ministry. President Kachane say, Omwana yene omowo insawoso intwaka anase agreement eka agreement biano. John Mahama she atofo se woni sa mama ni nyina nhia. Na momonti ase se senia ba omiamo edi sika omundi yesiketi be she eye ekase no a omun sem ka agreement omun ko mo na enye no aban we bae no wasane sa abrofo ni nyina enkronkro nyina etena se unia aka we krampo no na ensiwona na ye 80% eni se nka ye sa na ensiwona na nka o sa ye 4% intesi na aban we bae no the NDC aban ye ne se aman bia Dr. Baomia oforiatamo eni ye kodi insawoso edi etiko hye ekam a sebio enye eka keke eye sebio agreement eni omokoye no eka no nsi ho no esoso no NDC aban bae no omasane sa aman ni nyina etena se tetetete nsi ho no so nti obi o ha bon se aman we na edi omoka na adikudie nti a eka no abekese ne se eka ekobo yankasa no ana besia ne ye bia 2 billion and so behwem no na 2 billion no ehun si ho no bia 40% and 60%. Inti even though Ghana nke beje sika 2 billion no but insi ho na esi ho na eso nti ama eka no mene ye eno na John Mahama ama atoforsen edi wudwuma inti so study a aman bebre wo ho a eye atoforsen ni o matena se asari negotiate kana ye di omo no sene ye betua ma sebio ye ho be henhan ye ntem ebi ene oman a ye friend Belgium and the men ka say atoforsen efre Belgium for emomo baaye ena onyom ka said sebio eka nkwasiafo no ne motena ase a omobogu Ghana for so sebio principal no eye eka nankasa na ensiho no sede eso chen eka no atoforsen asa ne Belgium atena ase asa ka say eka ne de eda ho na ensiho na disiho no eni tire yentumi ntua enti say ensiho no ye oha enchichemu eduasa monte so embra oha enchichemu edien mienu ana miensa na yentumi entua ka ne ntua ensiho no eno ena atoforsen eya ende when we say Ghana yeka ehun sensem no eba form nti don't underestimate this kind of strategy by a government. Ghana sika sama ejina ne naso ye no, it is not about talko purely being government being prudent. And I heard Dr. Siama, the Bank of Ghana governor, saying he say sa stable economy na mahu no sa stable currency na mahu no enye se kasa kwa prudent measures nipa bi na atena se aka say okay this is the strategy eka MPP beto yeso no eka no yentumi ye timfrim na ye betuma ye hu bibi de betuma ye ne se wo se sa eka no ye ne omo ye de omo ka ne tena se insi ho no wo so omo teso every say oforiata ene ba omiamo sensan krata bi a na insi ho na wo ho no na nyansa nim. Inti the Bank of Ghana and finance ministry money aban we ye ne say sa enkwasiaka bi a ye tuatua nsihu bi amfaso ni so a de Ghana kwasha ahokyire mu a sebi onipa bi nya ahomfaso no and the Ghana aban na start ni abrofo ne trase esa ehwe eka na eda yeso no a kyerɛ mo say ya de woka $400 million na mom oforiata ne ba omia negotiation amone omko ya na nsihu no ye ohankyechemu eduasa eduowotwe de ohankyechemu eduonkro no ye ntumi ntua every say insihu no nkwampo no ye hwe abosom miensa ne bosom nan no ana mfie baako ana mienu no saa insihu no abedoso kra cha eka nankasa intimonti insihu no so and then they found debt restructuring inti NDC aban led by atoforsen no they are restructuring our debt inti nka omaibu anka ose tua na ebia 2 billion a year and we are paying sa or minus 500 million because of the restructuring of the interest and the debt itself. Sometimes negotiations it affects their principal and their interest into atoforsen betuma akọ no aka chem so ni bibi yen kofo anom wo yo magimi ebiom bo besia $2 million free mu ho ena modi insihu ohanchichemu eduasa de ye hu ni se ye hwe besia ne kran kasa sebio Ehu juma di ediko di no enso 2 million no anase 2 million no kura na esu. Inti sa eye de principal no e kana nkasa kura na wo so wote so. Every says so hwehwa emra ye bebo saka no na ewiase ananyoma bia na ekoso ye ne mo mmenkata mudie mu nyoma bia yeso ya ama mo no sa 2 billion or some wote so ba 1.5 billion. Ye wia na afei ehunsi hu no eno so some wote so. That is what we call restructuring, negotiating, restructuring your debts, and that is what this government is doing. And that is what this government is doing. Until you need to understand, say, on minor are stable, currency na stable, finances, investor confidence, and the ultimate story, etu kwankwa broche kofanyoma, free Ghana and Kwambra na dollar baby jina. It is because people are being prudent, people are being proactive, people are looking at the pros and cons, making sure the negotiations and talks they are talking on, it is yielding results. And anytime you are seeing stuff like that, anytime Belgium will come and say, let us restructure a car. And if the government of the day, led by John Mahama, the Bank of Ghana governor, Ato Forson, and the people involved are if they are able to sit and restructure things, nyoma ye ya menewo yemienu ena ye ho behinhaye yemienu ena oman mu beye de yemienu ena ye sika sembe kosoro yemienu ena yemfa de loan embetaye so yemienu ena yemfa taxes embe pay so. And these are things say obiba ana party biba na omo chichire man na. These are the small things but very important. They are detailed stuff you should not overlook. In this study Mrs. Ato Forson and this about power no, there's been lots and lots of debt restructuring. Ghana achieves critical milestone in debt restructuring process. Now, when you go ahead and read the stories, Uba will say there's a lot of nyoma Mr. P, this is the first one. Okay, me team this first one in Chemo. We need to always show you the facts. Senebeya ebema in Komono are very easy. So they said min Chemo, how it started, how this government through the finance ministry, they started restructuring a car and how it has helped the building of this country. Now, team, 1, 2. I'm still waiting to see the story. There's a story. Into your story we are. Thank you very much, Mr. P. Your story where you see it clearly. Ghana achieves critical milestone in debt restructuring process. We're 2025. It is who read this story now. That's what it says. Ghana has reached a significant breakthrough in its debt restructuring efforts, with all 25 participating creditor countries signing a memorandum of understanding, that's the MOU, marking a critical step towards the nation's economic recovery. Into 2025, and Ato Forson, Efre in Kronkwa 25 for Ghana Diomoka, and Okase Yademoka, Oforiata, Beomiamo, and a number side contract, Ebeji Bisia, in Simono Soson, Sesiano, Abai for Fraba, Yapasia, and Mutnas, near Sasha Canibim. 2025 and NDC are buying through the finance minister omo side way January 29 2025 and omo sa amount 25 buy. Now this is what happened. Finance Minister Dr. Ato Forson announced the development during a media briefing, describing it as a key achievement in Ghana's journey towards debt sustainability under its International Monetary Fund program. So we study IMF MPP die ko shemu na eka ye in kronkrobe 25 yentumi an fix sa eka no eka ho bi ne ko IMF program na se na e wo se kwaji sika free IMF for and the NDC ba power in January no and na omo free nipa 25 amount 25 ni nya and omo no tena se and omo ka say adekudie ntia ye ko IMF free because mo ane de mo ka MPP tesodo na omo bomb obesia omo ntua ensiwo so because kenoforiata ba omiamo benya eye sopie dinti na omo ma ensiwo no ya kese ye pese sa ne mo tenase Ato Forson ne omo tenase no omo nyina agi atum na onim de efe ne say after January 2025 ono omo di sa adwuma no still even some of the countries Ato Forson and the NDC government they are still talking to them again to come down, bring down their interest on the debts into restructuring. After restructuring, they are still doing restructuring. Debt restructuring here in January. They are still picking some countries up and doing debt restructuring with them. So these are things president ana abanya omunim nyansa ne ye abanya omagimi no they cannot do anything like this. Do you understand? So abanya jimia untumi hu ade we bi. It is because the government knows what it's doing. All right, thank you. So it means the government knows what it's doing. This is nyoma we na abanya enim nyansa na eya etumi ma oman timamufo no ye ho toye etumi sesa nyoma etumi ma aban no enitina for almost 2 years until say NDC aban akwa abontene akobo besia. Now, if the NDC government is able to resource Ghana for, is able to make Ghanaians financially independent, meaning so abandon to me create opportunities of fear. Now investors or more fear, local investors, Ghana for are able to make money out of what they do in Ghana. The government will end up borrowing from within. That means there will be lots and lots of people who will be buying a lot of bonds. There will be lots and lots of people who will be investing in government infrastructure, government businesses. There will be lots of Ghanaians who will be keeping their money in Ghana. Until what happens is that instead of the government to go out there and go take a loan and be paying so much interest, it will be better for the government to borrow from Ghanaians and pay less interest with less casualty with it. Send a bit too much and it's Cocoa, yati cocoa boaso ewo ewiase. Eni tina na MPP for Gina NDC for se mon kobo besia. Na mo betua cocoa kuafo ka. Eni tina NDC for ka che mo se dabi yenjimi ye. Because what you are telling us to do is basically dig the hole further. Mo pese ye tu amena no sama ni kom. Because ye kwa bontene kobo besia. Na ye betua cocoa kuafo ne. Na sa besia ne dawa. E wo se sa be yiri cocoa kuafo no kon. Na sa de tax be to omo so. Se de kwa tua sa eka no. Inti John Mahama Banika said, Dabi, we are not going to go out there. But what we are going to do is say, we are going to put reforms together to make sure, say, yes, it's even though Sikana na or epeno, nya because of world market, no, but enya di ebesisino, oko ebibremu ha, there is no country amutia cocoa ekuafo ana cocoa bag chen Ghana. So the government stayed there. Into abanity cocoa bonus 28% pe, and oko Ivory Coast ya so 57%. It shows say the government knew what it was doing. It did not MP before you say they wanted to push the government to make mistakes. They wanted to push the government to go and borrow without thinking. They wanted to put the government in that position they have been in because they know they borrowed carelessly. And because they borrowed carelessly, they want to find a strategy to suppress the government, use cocoa farmers, not by force, no abana kwa bontina ko bobesia. But John Mahama na enye no start boom mine. Atofo semo any Bank of Ghana leaders no, omo nyankwase for say MPP for. They told Ghana for say, "Ye be kwa ko bobesia, e de okabe to Ghana for so de. Ye ni kokwa kuafo be kasa mo mate ase se. Enye kura nti se payday, de e de mamo no eso che mu nuanom." And that is why we are here today. And the NDC government for almost 2 years, close to 2 years, and now a year and 6 months, they have not gone out there to borrow. But I would prefer that the government of the day will resource more Ghanaians. The government of the day will make Ghanaian investors more financially independent. The government of the day will make sure that sika kamainim nipana etimno sika ba yensem send beya the nipano omote Ghana betuma invest sika no Ghana. Omote invest sika no Ghana. They can invest some in government through treasury bills. They can invest some in government through different government agencies. They can also build by investing in different blocks. Ebasana aban no betumi abo besia wo fie. Sa aban bo besia wo fie a insiwo no e wo fom. By aban ne tam Ghana de kwa brochire ko bo besia insiwo no be meneye. And that is what John Mahama never wants to do. And intina you see this kind of development. Inti the NDC aban no munim nyansa. The NDC aban no they are protecting you, they are saving you. They don't want to put any burden on you. There's a lot to be done. There's a lot of room to cover. Inti MPP for no. So who say omuye dede okoko kwiafo munye dede kwiafo munkasa munye demonstration. The omo person omuye ne say omo person omo de pressure beto aban ne so. Na omo ka say oh kwiafo yentu omo sika ni nyina nti ye beto eti aban no na aban ne de ahopepre na aban no e de ahokeka na wakwa abontina akobo besia de ka beto ye so abeto kwiafo ne so. Because remember kwiafo asem we bai senka ban kwa abontri kobo besia anka light utia ne nka betua 3 times because wona also utia saka no anka unsio bill dia utia disia na also utia 3 times because eye wonti na ban kobo saka no hwana nkotua eye wukokokwe edi no sa eye sika na anka ban besia na okobo no anka sa sika no ode ba e wo se e fa kwan bi so ne agifri Ghana fo na John Mahama one boka no one bo besia no obo betua kokofu ka into abo be sana betua kokofo ka hwan entua enye ye ni kokofo no into John Mahama mpese odi obi abeto sa situation ni mu no on pese obema Ghana fo abre no or say we will find a way to solve the problem in the end who's at to force air renegotiate a data it is because of who interest in tea and our buying sir. All right, now yanko enim and I would like to tell the government they need to make sure the cocoa board investigations, it is done quickly. We don't want any slow motion in this cocoa board investigations. At least we know it is not the OSP. It is not Batman. So as far as it is not Batman, the investigation should be fluid, quicker, faster. We want to get to the bottom of this cocoa board scandal. We want to get to the bottom of this cocoa board issue. And see, as we sit here, I will advise the government, respectfully, the IGP, I will advise the institutions that have been given the job to do the investigations into the cocoa board matter, the former cocoa board boss, the investigations, because now we know the fraud that was committed there, the stealing. We need to prove to Kokwe former Ghana say these people who were leading cocoa board caused this problem. We are pleading with the government. The investigation should be swift. I'll be visiting this matter. I'll be speaking to the Attorney General. We want to see some development in the investigations of cocoa board in sense. Because we as a people, we want to know and the right thing needs to be done. Thank you. Now, and I would like to put this out there briefly so that we all will understand. There's news out and respectfully, I would like to tell Ghana for say my gesture to my own sister Nanaya Brefo was a pure selfless one. From the beginning of our some way see with her story, she being open and telling Ghanaians how it is here in America, or branitier, and being truthful and honest to herself and to the people who watch her or used to follow her or still follow her. I felt to say she needed a help. And I didn't do this for anybody. I didn't do this to please anybody. I did this because I genuinely wanted to help. And I genuinely wanted to help a friend, a Ghanaian. And I believe, say, if I'm in the capacity to help anybody, I will. And I saw that as a good gesture. A way to help a friend. There are no meanings into it. It is true. The car got delivered to her. I respect that, and I wish her well. And I expect to say it's not still going to be easy. This is the United States. Everybody knows. It is not going to be that easy just to go through it because you have a car. No, but it's a good start. So I believe, say, wherever she is now, and trying to put herself together, no. Please, if you can help. But I think if she's focused and she wants to do what she wants to do, hey, there's a free world. She has responsibilities, and on also per se or making sure say the person will achieve it. So that's my little gesture, and I just want to tell people it's not always about. The honest truth is, I've not gotten the opportunity to even speak to my sister. I've not gotten the opportunity to even text her. Or I didn't get the opportunity to even meet her when the gift was being given to her. And I see the gift as that's what she needed. It's my presence doesn't really make any difference. Me talking to her doesn't make any difference. But I believe it says the gesture. So I wish her well, and I know she's going to succeed. With an open heart and looking ahead and being honest with yourself. That's the first principle of life. Being honest with yourself and being open to yourself. You know what happens, and I say you will be able to meet every situation, because the only way you can win situations or succeed in everything is to be honest with yourself. And I think she's on the path, and I have no worry. So I'd like to wish her well, and people should learn a lot from these things. What we do here is work. Apart from what we do here, we also have our human part. So what you see here is what we do, and it is principle that we follow. The right things have to be said at a particular given time. It does not mean at a particular time some things are being said that we take it out of here and make it look like after our work people are enemies. Nobody's an enemy. We are just critical sometimes. Let's all learn, start to move on, start to understand things, and be matured. We need to build friends, not people who are your relatives, but you need to build friends. And there's one thing you need to know, that people out there, you don't know who is your friend. So sometimes you don't prejudge people. You always have to condition your mind that you don't meet bad people in your way. So with me, a call like this, I never drop friends. If you're my friend, you are my friend. Like issues that happen with all the things on the internet, I keep telling young people, old people, the best thing any human being will need from you is to know that you are their friend and you are behind them. That is the most important thing. Because in Sembibri, see, people have said things, and the young people should learn a lot. I, myself, at a point, people wanted to use my friend against me. But me, I don't go against my friends. When you are my friend, you are my friend. Like this lady, the doctor, Dr. Daly, Sansa, she's my friend. And it's not because of what will happen or what people will say. So the world is saying this. So that friendship I share with that lady, I throw it away. I don't do that. That's not me. It does not matter the condition or the situation. My friend is my friend, and I still appreciate her. I still respect her as a human being. So you need to, as a human being, you need to understand people who are your friends, people you can trust, people you can stand tall and defend. It is not about the circumstances. Forget about the circumstances. It is about who you call as a friend. So don't throw people away. Don't think, say, because of situations, because of things people say. So this person I know, this person I have dealt with before, or this person I can trust. So because of what people will say, you need to believe in people. You need to stand for people. You need to protect people when you call them your friends. Nobody thought that Anaya Brefo would be my friend one day to even have a gesture like this. No. So it should show you the kind of people we are. Me like this, I don't bend easily. I don't bend easily. And if I say you're my friend, you're my friend. And I make you are surprised I'm telling you, Daily, Sansa is my friend. And I respect that. And I appreciate that. And I'll protect that. It does not matter what somebody will say, what people will create, what impression it will be created out there. Because my friend is my friend. And if I appreciate my friend, I appreciate my friend. The same way that I have Brefo issue whereby, people thought it was no. So be convinced in your decisions. Do not let words, do not let things people say shake you or shake your strength and your belief in people and people you love or trust or believe in. Don't do that. Nana Brefo is a wonderful person, and I wish her well, and I believe say God in his own wisdom also be a quite amano for things to happen well for her. Now, chairman is going to win the national chairman.
Mayan speaking one voice. Let's direct ourselves and vote for Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia. He's the future of Ghana. So we are going to vote massively for Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia. May God bless you all. I love you.
Montumano, MPP May. Montumano, Ukruduma. Montumano, NPP May. Chama Wuntumireko. Onoani Epe. Ose. national chairman. Would to me, chairman, would to me, oh. NPP national chairman. Oh, no, babe. I'm for the journey to a city. National chairman, what to my wood to me, no bet to me, chama wood to me, don't be pie, wait there. Wood to me, don't be pie. Our dog, my MPP, national chairman. Benaden Jibwes, Yako. Namesa Womo. Montumano, MPP May, Montumano, Bukruduma, Montumano, NPP May, Chama went to Miracle, or no one epe, Jose, hey, Chama would to me, Ejumanye, Sikanye, Kosonye, NPP national chairman, would to me, chairman, would to me, oh. NPP national chairman, oh no, babe. I'm for the journey to a city. Oh no,
Right. All right. Good evening. That is Chairman Wuntumi official campaign to be the national chairman of the NPP. Wuntumi niye galamse niye, Wuntumi niye nkwasi akeka niye, Wuntumi niye yenyina yenim se Wuntumi nkofo keka nsam to no so enso Wuntumi ye ne enim Wuntumi be wini national chairman no na Wuntumi wini a me wi ameka adekodi enti am support Wuntumi. Wuntumi niye je term niye enti Wuntumi na ye to ama no grassroots no moma yenyina yen kambom na yemfa tumi no ema chairman Wuntumi no be national chairman of the NPP. Bedin kan achirem the responsibilities of the chairman. Jumadi also dini ade is so easy. A cocoa job for Wuntumi. Inti yenyina yentwe Wuntumi ne galania Wuntumi ne 15 years Wuntumi ne bokom ninyina ye slogan bi ninyina kan ho. Inti moma yen support Wuntumi ne yenye national chairman na omboama MPP no emfa ne ntoma pa emfra eno na meka kire Ghana eye MPP for delegate anymore amokoto aba akwakoyi the new national chairman of the party no moma yenyina yemfa ye hre enhye chairman Wuntumi na yetoma ne wi a sa week ni abeto ma Wuntumi ewie no sa bosome no mekira ma de kodie nti a mu make the right decision. MPP for week na yebeto sa aba na wie September no sa moto wie na mu yi chairman Wuntumi na obeye MPP national chairman na ma kire mu adekodie nti a sa decision na mu take is the best decision for Ghana. Enya for MPP. You people should take a decision for Ghana. Because mo pese mo boa Ghana, mo pese mo yi Ghana free eye de aho kire bi mu, mo pese ade bia eswa Ghana sebio ebu yekom a ema yabo enjo yeso ema de bia ye sorry na ye ko efuom na ye sansu anom a yakoma nyina ebri no moto saaba na mo be yi ebeto aba ahye Ghana ni monyam enti moma ye ne MPP fo moma mo amokoto aba no moma emfa hye etim se chairman Wuntumi na ye pe Wuntumi nie galanie Wuntumi nie party no ejina ne na so enti moma emfa tumi no former chairman Wuntumi as the national chairman of the great NPP. Yenyina yepese Ghana for AGAD. Thank you very much. That was a paid advert. An advert way omo support Wuntumi no and asebio omo di sika bre ya ad na montimenka say free. Also person me yo advert ma for advert ne brand tu iska ye be advert na ma aha a commercial platform. Aha say a commercial platform. You ma di no ana ye di sika na ye. Busumi bia no ye tia TV ni sika. TV na wo hwe ni free wo Ghana na wo hwe CNN. Wo hwe international platform movies no e sika ni tia. Platform TC production team na omuni me adwuma no we have to pay them into a paid ad. And also pay a position bi wo MPP mu na say ope say wuli di MPP na also for sika bra obetuma ba direct na say indirect. Wuntumi di say na ye indirect payment. Nipa no wuntumi di man say we di me pese me MPP for ni hunti ubetuma fa kwan bi so ma Kevin aye campaign ama me ene yeso yaso mutwe yaso mutwe ena ye di bo adwuma ye titintem ye biebiem ye dwudwo magana fo hu nkirekirim no nti twe ene yaso mu ene ntina ohu wuntumi advert ebo e wo medwuma de we so ama Ghana no bibia ekono eye wano inflation declines for 14th straight month, from 3.8% in January to 3.3% in February. Ghana for inflation, send your nyoma bo ayeding for 14 months, 14th straight month. Inflation are dropping. January na inflation that 3.8, and then I say nyoma bo ayeding yateso about 3.3%. Umpe we na opedien. Edi ntini eto aba no yeto aba se nyoma bo beba form aban bi beba no watam inflation every 54 edi aba form and aban na ye enti yeka John Mahama ne NDC promises o ma promise Ghana o bema nyoma ye fo ubetuma ekoto aduane etuma digwa edidi na John Mahama ne NDC aban no they have fulfilled their promise in less than 2 years. And Ghana's inflation is close to the inflation of America. We are lingering around 3.3%. I think America is around 1.7. We are lingering around 3.3 in the history of Ghana. In less than 2 years, Abambia Tumiaba a movie inflation every 54 all the way to 3.3. Then we still have people say your position mama to me. Now mama for inflation in 0.0. And that's a simple question we're asking the MPP. It's right now, no inflation, no. Yeah, the amount of mamma, more person de coin 0.0, and I said, dear, na more person de co, dear, na more person ye. And this is unprecedented. And these are some of the things we cannot underestimate and play around here. I see a lot of Ghanaians taking what this government is doing for granted because also bibini, oh yeah, dear man, na ebro no sope, na fe wasati Jimmy. We all saw what we went through under Bawomiani Ekufuado. We saw it. We saw businesses every day closing down. We saw market women, their capital diminishing. We saw Anwochire. And I remember 90% of Nipa na minimudin komo na munyina mo Ghana. You saw. And now you see the difference between Abai way, your oye, and Abai na eba before no. It does not matter your complaints. I've heard or seen a few people on social media. Mr. President, make a talk light. Me say, you are not the only person who lives in Ghana. You are not the only person who lives in Ghana. So if you have a problem with one thing, it does not mean the majority of the people, we all feel the same. No. This government, when it is approaching issues, it approaches it holistically. It wants to see that the majority of the people, no, they are doing well. They accept it. And they hear my way. And it's all your MPP can't remember. Now we are back home. Now my Nigeria say, TikTok. Now my say, me light bill cost menkwa. That one will not make anybody change their mind about this government because the majority of the people don't understand the difference between Abaywe Diawaye and Abayna and Mutino. They have seen, say, going back to the MPP is haram. It's madam, bra. Uwo jume bidia kopej wo papa bidi na saade na odwen so betina TikTok won kwa begina ye media me koto me light say and media duane boa no and nobody's listening because the government policies is for the masses. And right now as I speak, the masses are in favor of 3.3% inflation rate. Hardly do you see anybody na oye juma say Mahama about power to tell you say mejume guo. You don't hear anything like that. Enya kura anticipate day. Enya kura anticipate day. It's inflation we na aba form no. Mete say upon kruma ejina parliament. Ekacha Ghana for say he is against inflation na nyoma na ne boko form no. He says it is fake. He is against it. How can a member of parliament ni kromon to me si bini dan kra man nko for kojo upon kruma ejina parliament say yes, the inflation na be 3.3 na a fake. He is against it. How can you, a member of parliament, ukrobo nye adwuma nye eni aduane ndi ebo mpa ye se nyoma bo be form no ugina parliament say nyoma ko ebo ko form a utia ompe? How? Unless you are selfish, unless you see your constituents obam ko to abama on so omagimi into ugina parliament and now the brofo ekeka nkwase asem kire omoma otumi no. How can you in any way any day stand in parliament as a member of parliament yeto so aba to tell Ghana for say, your friend upon Kruma, I am against inflation na above form. How can you say that? It's one saying you know, because of mismanagement, manage your mind way say no they want every calamity at their bonibia where we are they want it to happen to Ghana. Right now the MPP you know, and come yema and ka bomba yet to Iran and to Ghana. It is so shocking. It amazes me. See, I told Sao Bombo no Ghana. Kojo Ponkruma Papa Bewu. Wabusian for Bewu. Canada a Baomia Busian for Bewu. Also, Obia Busian Bewu. Say a 2 petrol more Ghana. Nan the Iran, and then go for war, whether you like it or not. Na petrol Kotsura. Obia Humbeka. And there's one thing you need to understand about this government. That John Mahama administration will never lie to you. You 2 petrol because you are two anything you are 2 more Ghana. Nobody's going to come sit here and say, oh, you 2 petrol, na esi ane die, ye nyina no, that obi ama excuse bia o. Because ya wo share no abi na John Mahama so share. Enti, sa wo na ba betwa tro, aka se o ma me ewu na ma me wu ya, NDC aban, o ne ma me ewu, obaka say ma me ewu. Enti, if you think say Iran war no, Emma eye petrol bo ekosro aba we be charge aboarding. It is a fact. This government is not going to come sit here and lie to you and say, you know, because I buy where mama who books no, buy no be able to. So far, the improvement we've made, say, yen to me and support this our price now. You will have no option than to buy the world price and sell it the world price. That's it. Nobody's going to come sit on TV and lie to any Ghanaian because of political points. And they are not in that business. John Mahama is not into that business. Oh. John Mahama is not going to stay on TV and tell you, say, Sika yeni da hono, ya what da ho, ya bob besia, or say, ya bob besia, ya kot, happy John Mahama on ye, or baga Ghana for say, Petro no, se siane boy de wa bruchre, ye Sika da oni, yanko besia, na some yanko bobesia, Mammy yanko bobesia, mummy ye ni, yanko bobesia, wako bo, near a wako fa. John Mahama ne MPP, I want yanko say, what is NPPO? John Mahama ne NDC, for Munjimio, they will tell you the truth. It is a one tiasia your problem. Because Abaina yebuno, yentumi mfa atro embu man biemu. Yetena kroma mka che se bibia ye okay. Yetena kroma COVID-19 ba ye ewiase sika nya tama MPP for. Still na mo blemu Russia Ukraine war. Say Iran for ntoko ye esi. Se peja petrol mo why na tam sika bra Ghana say because of Iran America want $100 million. But during COVID-19, World Bank, IMF, international partners, they carried money and they gave it to you. Still, Nkwasiafo were still blaming Russia-Ukraine war. They spent the money, they blew the money up, and they started making excuses. The NDC is not in that business. Me, I'll tell John Mahama, do not go and borrow to buy petrol. No. Let's try and use a few there. And so don't ever think say asemboni bitu eye baby a affect Ghana na affect Ghana NDC for nkwa affect NDC for nkwa nyina. It is a one junior will say ye ba betena ha aba beso so oman na echiche nyo obi papa dia o ye nyina na echichira ma ye ho de be boy nyina na ye be ye enti mu nyina mo mpa na petrol ni nkosoro because me petrol ni nkosoro me be catch aban so ontum eh me be catch aban so onteso na mabodam petrol ni nkosoro say Iran war no say MPP for bompa na war mu ya ding na omu close the channel la omu the petrol ni fam de baha make a president Mr. President make sure the petrol price be out turn abrochire no fasa abo na agye ekofoma na wate so simple Me metran kan just oh NDC for mo hwe petrol no asem nka na Ghana for betu atia mo hey Ghana for se petrol no se ne bo no yatum now so the Ghana ni wunim no kore na wow problem. It don't expect this kind of politics na MPP for ye no atro politics no na ye ntiase nyoma boy den it is say asem we see it is like this koko asem bae yatia na ewiase ye tu koko buom ehwa na nkwasiafo we sorry MPP ai yesi ewiase koko no yatum enso John Mahama nkobo besia betua koko akuafo mabodam. And then we can say Ivory Coast for cocoa. Côte d'Ivoire cuts cocoa producer price by 57% from 2,800 CFA per kilogram to 1,200 CFA per kilogram. See, men we can say officially Ivory Coast for cocoa mu oha enchichemu edionum Edionum song 57%. Omateso, sorry. Omatikoko so. Eye ohanchichemu edionum en song 57%. Sa ebone na omateso. Ghana teso 28%. Oha enchichemu edumienu edumienu watche. Edionum watche. Ya teso edionum en song 57%. Ivory Coast for cocoa no so ebo so and the 1 kilogram 1 kg cocoa bottle back no ye ton Ivory Coast sikem 1,200 CFA cocoa akuafo buntie me mama MPP for nkwasiafo bintika unim say anka NDC for NPP and John Mahama anka Ivory Coast for tiom cocoa so ba 1,200 before unim say cocoa anka bitika NDC for beto cocoa 1,000 a bag. Moya lucky. Mugo for Ghana, John Mahama Domundra. Mo lucky ni say, eye Côte d'Ivoire for Tom Coco Benja Ghana. Nanka Côte d'Ivoire for Tom Coco Ghana. Kebeto Coco bag bia 500 Ghana. Mudia munya no muye dede. Mame chidwo munchiro. And 80 per the mats no. And Ivory Coast new cocoa price. Mame chidwo munchiro. Cocoa akuafo na nkwasiafo we didi mochi na momom cocoa egu ose no. Omo enfo mu wo. MPP for 99% of MPs omu cocoa da omu hu musam wajimi and them no ka say Abidjan for tuom cocoa oma teso 57%. Mame kidwo munchiro. Ivory Coast new farm gate price is reported around 1,200 CFA per bag. You hear the cities no hu. Now convert to price per bag. One bag ni 64 kilograms. Now 1,200 CFA times 64. You will get 76,800 CFA. Inti now, inti right now no, omo bag bako, cocoa bag bako, 1,200 CFA. Now, exchange rate no, 1 CFA is to 0.0198 Ghana cedis. Almost can swap from. Aya hanta se kufuado draws. Now, new convert, 76,800 CFA. That is a kilogram of 1 kilogram, 1 bag of cocoa in Abidjan. Or the bag Ghana, 76,800 CFA times 0.0198. Or the bag Ghana sikema Ivory Coast for. Omuto cocoa bag be 1,500 Ghana. 1,520 Ghana. Ivory Coast abaito cocoa bag be 1,500. Ghana eto cocoa bag be over 2,500 Ghana. Uri cocoa be Ivory Coast. Esi Ivory Coast for dem cocoa be Ghana. Ote Ghana ema MPP nkwasiafo we dada. Make us say minimum Ivory Coast for cocoa for be 30. Al Jazeera interview them. Almost they are finding ways to bring their cocoa to sell in Ghana. What price? No. Into mutito na no don prekwase ya we ahye Wellington boot mono onhye bi mpoda kojo pon kroma hyeche wa hye Wellington boot mono onhye bi da Oma dress se mum share cocoa foam na mumu bi mwajiminti. Omu wia na ma kofia kotena V8 mu. Na omu no mpran ma koda hotels. Na parliament 8 yo mo ka per diem. Mo ho na omu baaye no. Parliamentarians no mo ba mo ho nwuro mo no. Ye tua omu ka. Na we cocoa kwani a wadwene wo fom kakra nti. Wo makwase we abedadaw. And the Ivory Coast, ye to cocoa bag be 1,500 Ghana. And the Ivory Coast, cocoa for that motito na John Mahama so or pampamono. John Mahama kwade o mamutima mu de mu cocoa for Ghana. John Mahama na o nipa. John Mahama o ye nipa ena wa mamutima mu de ena wasoso mo so na mo ho ya mo de. Eti se John Mahama no or the contract betu obi enim se obi nua cocoa beton ma no. Ono so dia cocoa ni bi. John Mahama na no ni timu e mre. John Mahama na sebio ensamhuru bi wa na ososo. Now world market no John Mahama determine price no. My lucky and the Ivory Coast for omu cocoa no sebio ya mo kesia 4,500 Ghana a bag. And the Ghana cocoa for am saying. Na MPs for ne begina mo busa mo say Ivory Coast de ton saying. Mo musa mo and omo de mo ye adwuma and omo jimi mu bi and omo dada mo and omo bi ma say nti mo cocoa gu apata so air pro Ivory Coast for ne ba na me cocoa krani e wa Ivory Coast na me ton cocoa bag bia ye to betono 1,400 to 1,500 na me ntina ho abra me de gu pa a track na me do Ghana border na me ne o kan na so mo gime e bia 10,000 Ghana metum de awuro ma beton ma Ghana ban me de beba Ghana na se Ghana ban pe cocoa ato cocoa kuafo nso o mo mpe enti Abidjan fo so cocoa chapu egudam me no kasi aladwi o mo pama no saba o combien se play Ghana o cocoa o sankremie o tuke o mo di nkomo e pamboto ano o mo de ba wo da tena na man pipi nkwasi afo na dawo e na menje e na ebeboa o he world market be gina de gina enti se o mpa wo asema koton ma aban anasa fa hye wo dem me se me no kasa anadwi Abidjan fo e pamboto cocoa boto ko he elubo border no so o mo anadwi o ma high boys e pamboto Sava, Trambia Ghana, Jeremy, Sefwa, Seswa Ghana, Coco, Afrique, Afrique, the price, Elizon, Pam Coco, Nano Achiri Atokamu, Beton Ghana mine. Or was yet to a Tiasia, MP before some me and jet away. Would you want Tiasia? Ivory Coast, Neko Busa say opposition party no. Now say opposition party to Ivory Coast. Opposition party do Ivory Coast. Team pull it out for me. Party do a opposition Ivory Coast. What to say? Ivory Coast opposition are sorry say. Omune a party no tia ben mun e kuntokwa because prize ni ateso. They understand. Muko kwe no. Da ben amote say Ivory Coast opposition party be sorry say. Ada na yati koko so. They understand. They read the same thing the government reads. Opposition for near cocoa. They understand what is happening in the world market. It won't say Ivory Coast opposition kwasi ampeji bi akwe fuom say cocoa kwani ma abanin tia o de na otua first no. Why is it a Ghana nkwa no yesa because MPP whom cocoa kwafo bi say mo agibi. Omo de mo je political points akodi ajantrafo. Omo nya to me 8 years. Mu cocoa kwani be na tumi si dan o Ghana. Omunya to me 8 years. Cocoa hospital benum to be mamo Ghana. Omunya to me 8 years. Cocoa kwan papa benum to be mamo. MPP for whom some way Jimmy. Ivory Coast are the opposition yo. I didn't opposition in sorry because you're turning for in Ghana. I did opposition in say hey Ghana no cocoa you're turning 2,500. I didn't tears our momo. I didn't opposition in here because opposition in him say cocoa price in the world market. You can't do anything about it. Kwasiafo motete Ghana MPP nkwasiafo mumunipa. Mu obiara te say we Jimmy say chema untumi. Mu obiara te say penguin. Mu obiara te say poriando. Mu obiara te say obiara nu kankan te say abronya. Mu just obiara Jimmy. A whole political party encourage Jimmy man penifo Jimmy. Muso amo Jimmy munyina na mabodam. And you think say You can change anything with ye koko fuom, ye de koko kuafo kasa. Ghana koko kuafo no so mo nton no. Ivory Coast for ba ton. E me ko, minimum Ivory Coast koko kuani bi oba so be ton a, meboa no. Tina ona MPP fo njimi. Tina na MPP fo nkwasiafo we na da no mu njimi ukoko fo ni nyina be sei de odo beto aduane adibi unibi enti ende me de me yesomafo de ose meboa no ochena mu ukoko akuafo na eye Ivory Coast MPP fo ba mo ho no MPP fo ba mo ho no ochena mo frefre mo honorable yes Ivory Coast fo se adekoko no mo ton boto ba ku bia 1000 for ampa kwasiafo mu se omo me say koko akuafo na mama MPP for ba da mo no ma me kira wade oko Ivory Coast hwade. Thank you very much team. Thank you, Mr. Ivory Coast opposition parties omo homu ni hwe opposition parties omo Ivory Coast opposition parties omo Ivory Coast. What is the opposition party of Ivory Coast aye demonstration? What is the opposition party bi Ivory Coast akokokofo ekuafo efuom se mamon pene? They understand MPP ntwamwa we opposition party PDC RDA Democratic Party of Cote d'Ivoire African Democratic Rally omo ho. What is oma kokoko ekuafo ho da bi omunim se aban na eboa oba your FPI Ivorian Popular Front omo say opposition party ewo Abidjan. What is my demonstration? What is my kokoko ekuafo catch them say mamonje because they know what is the real problem. Omunim problem no say omu kro no omu to me handle. Your party will say MGC Movement for Capable Generation Ivory Coast opposition party MPP nkwasiafo yes won kwan me opposition we wiase. We have a party called GPSA, Generations and People's Solidarity. Omo Ivory Coast, omo your opposition party. Your Kojep, Congress of Young Patriots, omo Ivory Coast. And then almost omo ko wurem, enko fre kokoko kuafo se mombra ne ebema bo no mamonje adentina we mu nyina nkoye. Your UPCI, Union for Cote d'Ivoire, opposition party. Me chiraw ukoko kwani na ma MPP fo nkwasiafo we ebu so ye jimifo no me ka bibia to tirim ubu ofu o bodam wo de menji 2000 no 2508 to sede no na tena ho ye MPP fo say Ivory Coast ye to 1004 your opposition party UPCI Union for Cote d'Ivoire your LIDR, that is leader. You're from Liberty and Democracy for the Republic, opposition party. Your UDPCI, your Coalition for Peaceful Alteration in Ivory Coast. All these people plus 25 more opposition. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Actually, you another 25. Now, Munim Nyansa Ivory Coast for Sebio. Politicians are more Ghana. Munim nyansa cha Ivory Coast for. Won Ivory Coast for kwanda. Ivory Coast won mo kwanda. Kwasiafo mo MPP for Jimmy for na mo dada Ghana ekuafo. Na mo Ghana kokoko ekuafo nso mo bi mo Jimmy. Instead some betena se etie no kore no. Na mo apata koko sei na mo di MPP for echi. Mo nuane ma nyansafo na eton mo koko ne ma aban. Kevin did atem massa.
The NPP cannot be underestimated. You know it, I know it.
The MPP of Darocha, Sakiskek, Victor Wusu, Kofi Buzia, Professor Edubuahe, Alajete, J.A. Kufuor, those men of value, those men of integrity are not what we have today. I tell you without mincing words, the 5 people who are contesting, wanting to be flag bearers, are just sankwas. I tell you without mincing words, the 5 people who are contesting, wanting to be flag bearers, are just sankwas. I tell you without mincing words,